Hi everyone, this is the Cell Biology Knowledge Starter related to the subtopics Microscopes and Mitosis. So what you need to do is you get a piece of paper and a pen, and you need to answer each question. The questions will be quite short, and then we will go through the answers. Question number 1. Name the two types of microscope. Question number 2. Which microscope is better for looking at small structures in detail? Question number 3. How do you focus a microscope? Question number 4. How do you make the cell look bigger? Question number 5. What is the formula for calculating magnification? Question number 6. Where are chromosomes found in the cell? Question number 7. Within most body cells, how many chromosomes are there? Question 8. What has to happen before a cell can divide? Question number 9. What happens during mitosis? Question number 10. What is the end result of one division by mitosis? And finally, question number 11. When does mitosis occur? Okay, so if you can get yourself a different coloured pen, that would be great, and then we will start to give you the answers. Question number 1. Light and electron microscopes. Question number 2. So the answer is the electron microscope, as it has a higher magnification and also a higher or better resolution. Question number 3. So you have to use the coarse focus knob to bring the slide close to the objective lens, and then you focus downwards until an image is seen. Then you can use a fine focusing knob to bring the image into focus. Question number 4. You would change the objective lens to a higher magnification. So you could say have a lens that has a higher magnification as well, and that would be correct. Question number 5. So the formula is magnification equals the image size divided by the real size, real or actual size. Question 6, and they are found in the nucleus. Question 7, there are 46 chromosomes, or you could say there are 23 pairs in each body cell that contains a nucleus. Question 8, the cell has to replicate its DNA and it grows subcellular structures. Question number 9. So chromosomes move to either side of the cell and two nuclei are formed and a cell membrane splits, causing cytokinesis? Question 10. Two genetically identical daughter cells are formed. Question number 11. Mitosis occurs during growth, repair of damaged tissue, or in asexual reproduction. So any one of those would be correct. Okay, so what I would like you to do is to take the piece of paper you've just been writing on and marking and put it away so you can't see it, and then get another piece of paper, and then what you're going to do is go back to the start of the video and you're going to answer the questions again. Now the reason you're going to do that is that the more you repeat these questions, the more likely you are to remember the information in them, and they're likely to stick in your brain, and you hopefully can recall them better in any tests or exams. Hope you found all that useful. I'll be doing some more knowledge starters soon, so it's goodbye from me, Dr. Biology, and please do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon.